Hello everyone, this is Jen and welcome to my channel. I'm here for a Chic Sparrow unboxing. No, this is not the Chic Sparrow that I just received, but I wanted to show you the size and the leather style of the new one and do a little bit of a comparison. So this is a Maverick leather in the dark brown, which they no longer have. And then this is the Weeks cover. So they have several different covers. So I decided to go with, because they had sold out of all the other sizes, I decided to go with the Hobonichi. And what's crazy is I don't know if I'm going to use Hobonichi next year or not, but I figured even if not, this personal size Cocoa Daisy insert fits as well. So then I can use that. So let's go ahead and get to it. It has been a while. It's actually been about 7-8 months since I've gotten a new Chic Sparrow, so this is a fun unboxing. The last one I got was a used, what was it? Oh, actually it was the same kind of leather, the Maverick, the Scout. So, yeah. Okay, so you get this card. Oh, fun. So they also sent a leather sample. So the leather that I also ordered was July. It's actually really thick. Well, I guess they are pretty thick anyways, but yeah, it's thinned down. So, but this is the sample. Oh, here's the outside. It's pretty. And it is a red color. So that's what I was excited about. So here's the difference between the brown and the red. And actually, let me compare it to, this is one of the first Scouts that they originally came out. This is actually a gold, the golden brown. So let's see the difference. Oh yeah, you can definitely see the difference. And this is when they first came out with the Scout. Okay, so let's check this out, see what it looks like. Oh, that's cute. See, I don't have the sticker. It's pretty. All right. And no order notes. This is what I received, the July weekly calendar. So the week's calendar cover. Okay. It's red. And then on the inside, it's like a patina leather. So patina. I was wondering if I was going to get this in a A6, but I don't know. It's pretty. But I don't think I'm gonna get it in the A6. I do like the brown. Brown is really pretty, and I like the cascade pockets. They were sold out, and then they did another release, and they were sold out. So I think for now I'll just stick with the Scouts that I have, and then just enjoy this. And it was nice because I also got it on sale, so it's 15% off. So let's do a comparison. Really close. So yeah, I don't know how I feel about it. I mean, let's see. I actually like the way the creme leather feels with the Maverick. This is like smooth. I actually like the texture inside versus the smooth. So yeah, I don't know. I'm still gonna keep it. So, but I just wanted to unbox this and show it. And I will be totally honest, I do like this style better, the Scout. Like I said, I'm not too crazy about the smooth with the texture. I kind of like I actually like the texture of the creme with the texture of the Maverick. So, but if you're interested in having that smooth texture inside. It'd be fun to see how this patina's within time. So yep, but that is the July Leather, which is a red Maverick. And here is the comparison. So hope you enjoyed this unboxing, and I guess go to their site, and they're supposed to have these all July, and I guess if they're popular then they will keep it in the store. So thanks so much for stopping by, and I hope y'all have a blessed day. Bye.